In this video, I'll teach you how to customize your headphone audio levels on your AirPods Max in 3 minutes flat. Hey guys, it's Matthew here from HearingTracker, keeping you up to date with all things hearing related. If you're interested in handy videos like this, then make sure that you subscribe to this channel, press that grey notifications bell, and you'll be updated every time we release a new video. To begin the setup process, head over to your iPhone settings, then accessibility, and finally audio/visual. Here you can find all of Apple's hearing related features. The one that we need today is the headphone accommodation section at the top. These are the iPhone settings that you'll come back to later. Apple don't currently allow you to test your hearing directly through their features on iOS. However, you can upload your hearing test results in a few different ways. First of all, using the camera, you can take a photograph of an audiogram provided by your audiologist, and it will pull that information across. Plus, it does the same with a photograph of your results, or you can even upload them as a file. Alternatively, you can use an app to test your hearing using your headphones. I would recommend the free Mimi Hearing Test app, which will pull through your audiogram to the health section directly on your iPhone. I'll link the app in the description to today's video. Testing your hearing using this app is really simple and takes no time whatsoever. When you've finished, the app should display your results on screen. Now you can head back over to the headphone accommodation section that we were in earlier, making sure that this is set to on and audiogram. Press the custom audio setup, select the audiogram that you've just performed, and then finally press done. After you've performed the testing, you can choose if you want to have the sound adjusted for the outputs of your headphones, for phone calls, FaceTime calls, and any third-party video apps by turning on the phone setting. Or turn on the media setting to apply the changes to music, movies, podcasts, audiobooks, Siri, voicemail, and live listen. This upload should now automatically enhance the output of your headphones according to your new hearing test results. And with any sounds being streamed from your phone, such as phone calls, music, and the radio or podcasts, your phone will automatically add the appropriate amount of sound at that particular frequency that's necessary to compensate for any hearing loss that you may have. I hope that you found this video useful, guys. If you liked this video, then please hit like. If you've tried it out, I'd love to hear your feedback, so drop those comments beneath this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then make sure you do so. I'll see you in the next video.